This is parsley. This is parsley. This is lettuce. This is lettuce. This is thyme. This is thyme. This is cabbage. This is cabbage. This is basil. This is basil. This is spinach. This is spinach. This is rosemary. This is rosemary. This is broccoli. This is broccoli. This is broccoli. This is mint. This is mint. This is cauliflower. This is cauliflower. This is cauliflower. This is zucchini. This is zucchini. This is zucchini. This is carrot. This is carrot. This is cucumber. This is cucumber. This is cucumber. This is pumpkin. This is pumpkin. This is pumpkin. This is onion. This is onion. This is garlic. This is garlic. This is eggplant. This is eggplant. This is bell pepper. This is bell pepper. This is bell pepper. This is corn. This is corn. This is corn. This is beet. This is beet. This is beet. This is celery. This is celery. This is sage. This is sage. This is sage. This is dill. This is dill. This is radish. This is radish. This is kale. This is kale. This is turnip. This is turnip. This is turmeric. This is turmeric. This is potato. This is potato. This is sweet potato. This is sweet potato. This is tomato. This is tomato. This is a green bean. This is a green bean. This is a pea. This is a pea. This is a pea. This is mushroom.
This is asparagus.
This is mushroom.
This is asparagus. This is
leek.
Brussels sprout.
This is leek.
This is Brussels sprout.
This is artichoke. This is artichoke. This is okra. This is okra. This is avocado. This is avocado. This is avocado. This is ginger. This is ginger. This is watercress. This is watercress. This is parsnip.
Yam.
This is parsnip. This is yam.
This is butternut squash. This is butternut squash.
This is Swiss chard. This is Swiss chard. This is arugula. This is arugula. This is fennel. This is fennel. This is bottle gourd. This is bottle gourd. This is lemongrass. This is lemongrass. This is bamboo shoot. This is bamboo shoot.